So the first step is to remove these two clips. These are going to release the lamp. Okay, it's advised that you prepare a soft cloth, so which you can put between the bumper and the lamp, so you don't scratch, don't damage the bumper, because we are not going to take take outside the lamp completely. We are going to leave the wiring connected. So as you can see, I'm putting this soft cloth here so that the lamp can stay on it and it will not scratch the bumper. Okay, we'll remove these ones. Put this on the side. Okay, so you can see it has a clip here which you're gonna pull upside, then you just take the bulb out. Okay. Please do make sure not to touch the new bulb. So I'm back. And that's about it. We are just going to turn the ignition on and see the difference.